Best handyman around, Greg Bartholomew can do anything in Denver, Colorado, and outer cities. If you're in the Denver, Colorado, or outer city areas and looking for a handyman who can handle any job, look no further than Greg Bartholomew. With over 15 years of experience in the home repair industry, Greg has the skills and knowledge necessary to tackle any project you may have. From electrical work to plumbing, tile installation to carpentry, Greg can do it all. Why choose Greg Bartholomew? When it comes to home repair, you want someone who is reliable, trustworthy, and knowledgeable. Greg Bartholomew checks all of these boxes and more. He has over a decade of experience in the industry and has built a reputation for being a skilled and dependable handyman. Whether you need a simple repair or a more complex project, Greg has the skills and expertise to get the job done right. Services offered by Greg Bartholomew. As we mentioned earlier, Greg Bartholomew can do it all, and he services the Denver, Colorado, and outer city areas. Here are just a few of the many services he offers. Electrical work. From installing new outlets to rewiring your home, Greg has the experience and knowledge necessary to handle any electrical project. Plumbing. Whether you need a leaky faucet fixed or a new water heater installed, Greg can handle all of your plumbing needs. Tile installation. Looking to update your bathroom or kitchen with new tile? Greg has the skills and tools necessary to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Carpentry. From building a new deck to installing custom cabinets, Greg's carpentry skills are second to none. Why choose a handyman? If you're like most homeowners in Denver, Colorado, or the outer cities, you probably have a list of projects that need to be done around your home. While some of these projects may be simple enough to tackle on your own, others require the skills and expertise of a professional. That's where a handyman like Greg Bartholomew comes in. With years of experience in the industry, Greg can handle any project you may have, no matter how big or small. In addition to his expertise, there are many other reasons why you should choose a handyman like Greg Bartholomew. For one, hiring a handyman is often more cost-effective than hiring a specialized contractor. Handyman services are typically more affordable and can save you money in the long run. Additionally, a handyman can often complete a project more quickly than a specialized contractor, which means less disruption to your daily routine. When it comes to home repair, you want someone you can trust to get the job done right. That's why Greg Bartholomew is the best choice for all of your home repair needs in Denver, Colorado, and the outer cities. With his years of experience, expert skills, and commitment to excellence, you can rest assured that your project will be completed to your satisfaction. So if you're ready to get started on your next home repair project, contact Greg Bartholomew today. Send us a text to set up a meeting, 720-841-9597. He'll be happy to provide you with a free estimate and help you get started on your project right away.